Lok Sabha Member of Parliament and TMC leader Mahua Moitra on August 21st asked for clarity and transparency of the existing Adani listed companies before SEBI allows Adani Wilmar to be listed. In a Twitter post, she wrote, "Need clarity and transparency in existing Adani listed companies before SEBI allows yet one more group company to be listed. Regulator puts Adani Wilmar's initial share sale on hold." Meanwhile, market regulator has kept in abeyance the 4,500 crore initial public offering of the agro commodity company due to an investigation against Adani Enterprises, which is under the lens for foreign portfolio investments. SEBI has stalled the Adani Wilmar IPO due to an investigation that is pending against Adani Enterprises, said a person familiar with the matter, asking not to be named, according to the report by Money Control. Adani Enterprises owns 50% of Adani Wilmar, which makes the popular edible plant oil fortune. This is not the first time the TMC MP has asked for an investigation against the Adani Group. Moitra wrote to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman asking to investigate Adani Group companies on foreign portfolio investments owning a substantial interest in these companies. Moitra's letter to FM Sitharaman, which she also shared on Twitter, stated, "Written again to Honorable FM, RBI, CBDT, ED, DRI, etc. all, demanding urgent investigation into over-invoicing by Adani companies, round-tripping of funds and dodgy FPI investments." In her letter, she wrote that while this information may already be known to officials, I believe that it is important that nation knows the truth behind many of these allegations, as the group is being handed several strategic assets of the nation. By its own admission, the group will control 40% of air, sea and logistics infrastructure soon. Further, it seems that delisting of Adani Power in order to hide this fraud needs to be seriously looked into, given allegations that have come to the fore. Adani Wilmar filed for the IPO on August 2nd. The company is a 50-50 joint venture between Gautam Adani-led Adani Enterprises and Singapore-based Wilmar Group. The joint venture was formed in 1999. Currently, 6 Adani Group companies are listed on domestic bourses. Apart from AEL, other listed ones are Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy, Adani Power, Adani Total Gas, and Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.